Thinking about getting a Universal Orlando annual pass, but confused about which ones actually are worth it? Or wondering if it'll really save you any type of money? Well, I'm here to tell you there are 4 different passes, okay? 4. And they each have their own different perks, blackout dates, and prices, okay? It's a whole thing. But don't worry, alright? Don't worry. We're breaking down everything that you need to know about Universal annual passes, from the cheapest ones to the VIP experience. Let's get started. First off, why even get one? Well, if you're planning on visiting Universal more than once a year, the savings can stack up fast, okay? And here's why people get them. They get free parking, can save up to $30 each visit, alright? You get discounts on food, merch, HHN tickets, and Express Pass. You also get early park admission on select dates, okay? And access to exclusive Passholder events and lounges. And yes, okay, you can pay monthly, and we'll get to that in a later... No. Plus, Universal doesn't require a reservation to enter the park, okay? It's way more flexible than Disney, alright? Let's break these down from cheapest to bougiest, shall we? Let's start with the seasonal pass, aka the silver teaser, starting at around $324. Well, for Florida residents, it's only $324. For non-Florida residents, unfortunately, it's not available. Admission to Universal Studios Florida and Islands of Adventure is what you get, okay? But you don't get blackout dates during holidays and summer. You also don't get parking benefits. And no, you don't get early park admission either. But you do get 10% off select food and merch, okay? This is for locals who don't mind skipping the weekends, spring break, or the holidays. It's a go on a Tuesday in September kind of pass, if you know what I mean. Pro tip, okay? Check the blackout calendar before you buy, right? Some months are practically blocked out, so keep that in mind. If you drive, remember, parking is not included, all right? So factor that into your cost. Remember, it's about $30 per visit. Now, moving on to the Power Pass, which is around $424. It's available to everybody, and it includes Universal Studios and Islands of Adventure. And it also includes blackout dates during peak periods like holidays or HHN season weekends, okay? You also get 50% off parking after the first visit, 10% off food and merch, but you do not get early park admission and you do not get HHN discounts. This is your, I want to go more often, but not during the chaos pass. You know what I mean? It's great for people who don't do holidays or HHN. Pro tip, you'll get 0 perks for Halloween Horror Nights with this one. So if you are in the HHN, if that's your jam, you're gonna look higher. Now we have the Preferred Pass, which is around $539. Full access to Universal Studios and Islands of Adventure. Again, free self-parking after the first visit, keep that in mind. And early park admission on select dates. No summer blockouts, and you get 10 to 15% off food, merch, and select on-site hotels, okay? You get discounts on HHN tickets and events as well. It's blocked out a few holiday weeks, okay? This one is the sweet spot for most people. No summer blockouts, free parking, early entry, and HHN discounts. Yes, please. Bring it in. If you are choosing this one, it honestly covers like 95% of what you want to do at Universal, okay? Pro tip, stack this with Passholder appreciation months, all right? Usually in late summer or spring for bonus freebies. Exclusive snacks, and limited edition merch. Now we have the Premier Pass, which is around $789. You get no blackout dates ever, okay? You get free parking and valet, free Halloween Horror Nights ticket, 1 per year, and you get early park admission on top of 15% off food, merch, and hotel stays. And you get discounted Express Pass after 4 p.m. every single day. This one is for the power players, the Passholder elites. You skip the lines, valet your car, get into HHN free. It's giving main character energy, and we all love to be a part of that, okay? If you're planning to go more than 4 or 5 times a year, including peak times and HHN, this pass pays for itself fast, okay? Pro tip, that after 4 p.m. Express Pass is a huge perk during busy evenings. You'll skip long lines without buying a separate Express Pass. It is worth it, trust me. And what about Volcano Bay, you may ask? Is it included? Volcano Bay is not included in any of those base passes, but you can upgrade to a 3-park pass, okay? The 3-park add-on adds Volcano Bay Water Park access to your pass. It costs about $100 to $150 more depending on the tier, but it is highly recommended in warmer months, okay, which is most of Florida. Now, if you can't pay for all of that at once, no worries, okay? Universal offers monthly payment plans with $0 down for Florida residents and flex pay for others. Here's a payment breakdown, okay? Florida residents, $0 down, 11 monthly payments, right? Non-residents who use flex pay as an option, so plans require a down payment, keep that in mind, okay? But plans are available online or at guest services, which is a nice perk. And yes, you can upgrade your pass anytime. You just have to pay the difference. Pro tip, wait until after your first visit to upgrade. You can apply the cost of a day ticket toward a pass as long as you do it before park close that day, okay? One of the best kept secrets of Universal annual passes, the extra perks. It's not just about getting in. Universal actually treats pass holders really, really well, like royalty. There's exclusive perks such as early previews for rides, like the Velocicoaster, okay, Minions Land, Epic Universe, the Pass Holder Lounge, which is currently in Toon Lagoon area, okay, the limited edition snacks, the magnets, the buttons, and the merch all together? Are you kidding me? Discounts on Express, dining plans, and merchandise. Doesn't get any better than that. And early booking access for special events? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? So, should you get a Universal annual pass? If you're visiting more than once a year, or even doing a long vacation, the perks can save you a ton of money. Absolutely. And with 4 options, there's something for everybody. From the casual local to the full-on theme park warrior, okay? Everybody is gonna be happy. Drop your questions in the comments below and let us know which pass you have or which one you're thinking about getting. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you're notified every time that we post. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!